utopia as an action for which there is no language yet, where no logical, rational thinking will turn the key. Gertrude Stein, Everybody's Autobiography. I really do not know, I really do not. I do not even know whether there is a question, let alone having an answer for a question. To me, when a thing is really interesting, it is when there is no question and no answer. If there is, then already the subject is not interesting, and it is so. That is the reason that anything for which there is a solution is not interesting. That is the trouble with governments and utopias and teaching. The things not that can be learned, but that can